In this video, I'll take you through the necessary steps to set up motion detection on the V380 panoramic or bulb camera, so that whenever there is motion or movement in front of the camera, you will receive picture notification of what caused the motion alarm. I have my camera mounted and here is its live output on my phone, and so I will be using it to do the demonstration. The first step to take is to tap on settings right here. At this point, you will come down to alarm settings and select it. We would have to turn on alarm by sliding this point on. We now have a drop-down list of alarm settings. Let's start with alarm period. This is where you can select the period of the day during which you want to receive motion alarms. You can choose all day, you can as well choose daytime or even night time, or you can even select specific periods stating the start time and the end time of the alarm. I will leave mine at all day, so we'll go back by tapping here. Let's look at alarm area. This is where you can select specific spots in the camera's view that you wish to track motion or movements. In case you wish to track motion in the face of the entire camera, you would have to use your hand to shade all these boxes as I'm doing right here. You can see the reddish shade of all the boxes here as I slide my hand over the boxes. This means that any movement observed in the view of the camera will cause a motion alert to be sent into the app for you. Let's erase all and just focus on the area where I'm seated, and let's see how it works. So I have shaded only where I'm seated. We'll confirm right here. Let's now look at alarm sound. When you turn on alarm sound, anytime there is motion around the selected motion area, the camera will make noise depending on the kind of siren sound you choose in the camera. After all these settings, we can go back to the home page of the app now. This is the home page of the app, and you can see that the system is armed, indicating motion detection setup in place. Let's check the various motions detected on the system right now. So tap on housekeeper. You can see here the snapshot or the first frames of the activities that triggered the alarms, all listed here with time. That's all about motion detection setup for the V380 panoramic or bulb camera. Let me have your comments and questions about this video, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.